Hello guys, are you looking for ways you can make earning extra money online? There is a platform I will be introducing to you in today's video, and that platform is Cliqki. With Cliqki, you can be earning up to 20,000 or more on a daily basis. How does it work? Before I take you or before I dig in deep on how you can earn or how you can generate money using Cliqki, let me briefly tell you what Cliqki is. What is Cliqki? Cliqki is a marketplace where you can earn money by just sharing content posted by brands. So how does it work? How do you earn from sharing those content that brand posted on Cliqki? Well, the first way to do that is for you to first of all visit www.cliqki.com, then click on the sign up button to sign up. After which, get verified by verifying the email you actually use in signing up for the account. After which, then look for posts with ad price bid like this. After that, click on the share button to share such posts to your other social networking community. And after sharing it, whenever someone click on the link or on the shared post or the post that was shared by you, you'll be rewarded with 10 naira per click. So imagine 20 persons, 50 persons, 500 persons, 100 persons, or 1,000 persons clicks on that post in a day. You know how much you could be making from it, right? So in other words, with Cliqki, the more you share content to other social networking platforms, the more you earn. So thank you very much guys for taking your time to watch this video. This is a brief video on how you can make money online using Cliqki, which I just shared to you. If you find this video informative or you see it as something that is worth sharing, please do it to share it with your friends and like this video and drop your thoughts in the comment box section. So without saying much, the best guys, I will see you in my next video.